Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this beautiful Ice Queen set on Dress to Impress. So you'll actually need to do the quest in order to get this dress. Go to the servers, which is now down here, then go to the winter quest and then press join. Then press yes. It is a little bit easier if you have like friends to join you. But it is still doable on your own. I'm just the worst at obbies, so I couldn't do it by myself. There are 3 chapters, so you're going to want to complete them all to get the dress. I'm not going to record the walkthrough though, because it is pretty self-explanatory. The first one, you'll just need to bring the correct presents. And then for the second one, you'll need to also the obbies on the first chapter, sorry. And on the second one, it's the reindeer race. And you'll just need to pick the sleigh on the very right. And then on the third chapter, you just need to finish the boss fight, which is again pretty self-explanatory in itself. And that is how you can get the Ice Queen set on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!